We're gonna give this the old test hit.
Dallon's coming in. We're testing number 4.
Oh yeah, I'm coming for you.
I forgot that I was standing where you were gonna exit. Okay, number 2. Speed wasn't quite there for the first one. Oh yeah.
Woo!
Right over. How do you feel?
Dude,
You hit the jump that we didn't know if it was gonna work.
Dude, it actually worked perfectly.
Well, thank God we drove that jump into the sunset.
Yeah. It was perfect.
Naturally aspirated diesel. It drives very slowly.
7.3, no turbs.
No turb ski. I told him to juice it this time, so here it comes. Oh, looking pretty fruity. Oh yeah, here comes the juice. Yes. He likes it.
Yeah, like I didn't push through very much at all. I just jumped it.
No, you jumped it. And you landed on the landing. Look at that.
And the backside. Yes. Yes. Yo. Yeah, that berm needs it next. We're still going. Woo! We have the tarps going on over here. It's like a big wave. Oh yeah.
Whoa, getting barrel, dude! Oh, wiped out, man! The sharks are coming for me, dude! Call the lifeguard!
I'm out of here. I can't handle that sauce.
You better be able to handle that.
That's too freaking funny. So I put the tarps on so it would hold the moisture in instead of it just all evaporating. It absorbs into the dirt like you saw. Now we finish the rest of it. I've been stacking the back of it too. A little bit of filtered sauce there. Because the first has not yet been built. It's over there. Now, I'm gonna throw about 1.5 inches of filtered dirt, which I run through this, and then it looks like that. Takes out that, makes a nice smooth finish. Got the dirt factory going over there. Got some smoothness going on. Yes. Filling it in with the filtered dirt now. Will be awesome. She's almost done. Karen hopped in. Champion.
Yeah.
We'll use them as a size reference.
Faster. Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa!
I can't wait to come.
Ladies and gentlemen of the YouTube nation, this is my favorite part about trail shit, is digging big rocks out of the fucking ground. Bend with your, lift with your back, and right as you're about to Where's you're at the crux of the weight? Jerk your neck.
Oh.
Not the shovel.
Those are the prime shovels.
Oh.
Nuh-uh.
No, I'm joking.
You're gonna roll it on that spine? Wow. That's amazing.
Tweak his tank.
Yep. We've been chopping the trees. Very nice. Very nice.
Just remember, folks, it's Pride Month, so all queers have that kind of strength for the entire month of June. Don't piss them off.
This is the most we've shown of actual working.
I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. Grabbed my shovel and I walked to the mine.
Are you blinking?
16 tons.
Are you doing blink shots?
Coal. Swing and blink, baby.
Okay, you better be swinging and blinking. Continue.
I forget the next verse. That's all I got.
It was good though.
Yes.
Rock work like clockwork.
All right.
That big one's worth burying. See, you don't like being up in there. Like, I like being up in there. Like, I'm almost catching the blade in the face.
We have movement.
Ooh.
He's coming. Need.
That was a good piece. That could be it.
Gotta get down to the Cumberland mine.
The GoPro wants to get hit in the face, so I'm putting it up close.
Now the other side.
Maybe we dig out underneath more.
We might have to go get the chisel.
You have a chisel too?
I told you I have a chisel.
Why didn't we bring that too?
It's coming after you.
Oh my gosh, it's a boy! Yeah! That's gonna be sick.
Now, we can move where the landing goes.
Stacking rocks over here to build this wall.
Needs to fucking die.
Facts.
This rock bar is where the top of the landing is gonna go.
Yep.
It was here, and I'm no expert, but I heard this jump was ass.
It's ready, it wants it.
I'm excited. Slap.
So yeah, same speed as before then. Maybe a little more because of the berm. A little more. This is the best part of building dirt jumps. You have to hit them first. Yeah. Oh, maybe it did get a little exciting. No, it felt good. I just, you know, forgot. I ran out of talent going up it. Well, I went in a weird direction.
How'd everything feel?
I like the lip. Dude, that was so funny. Wow, I can go a lot faster. Or just go in a better spot. Ow! Ah! Oh!
Butter.
Yes!
It works.
Free work!
Nice.
Woo! Kieran's hitting it for his first time. Yep. Woo!
Dude, that might be the best lip I've done here.
Yep. That was awesome. All right, let's go for a lap. I'll kind of show you what the line's gonna turn into. All right. Woo! Let me jump that. Shark fin in. So I'm gonna go back up there. Woo! Yeah! That was awesome. Yeah.